Hi everyone, Dave from Mathigon here. In this video I'm going to show you how to share a Polypad via a link. There are two other videos on how to share Polypads. One is how to share it with your Mathigon classes, and the other video is how to share it via Google Classroom. But this video I'm just going to show you how to share it with a link. So this is the puzzle of the day. You can find this under Puzzles and Games, under Examples and Templates. Maybe you want to share this puzzle with colleagues or friends or students. And to get the link, there are three ways to get the link. The fastest way is under Sharing. If you click on that link, it'll copy it to the clipboard. I'll open a new browser tab and paste it, and you can see there is the puzzle of the day. Two other ways to get the link. I could click on the share icon and select the image on the far right. That'll copy the link to the clipboard as well. Of course, you could just go up to the toolbar and copy that, and then go to a new browser tab and paste that in as well. Super easy. Again, three ways to get that link. One, you can click right under Sharing. Two, you can go to the share icon and select the image on the far right, or just copy it right from the toolbar. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you see how to share Polypads with just a link.